Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to speed up or slow down YouTube video playback. Let's open YouTube application and you want to start any video. Now while it is playing you want to tap the video itself to show the controls, and in the top right you can see this settings icon. Let's tap playback speed, and here finally you can set your desired speed. Additionally, you can see here a little slider that you can use in order to change the speed, so you can set your custom speed as you wish. Additionally, on YouTube they have this shortcut which is press and hold. Let's press and hold on the video player, and the video will immediately play at 2x speed. And if you want to return to normal speed, all you're gonna do is release your finger. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.